Past 45 years with an aerial fly past. First up, 4 F-16s will simultaneously cross each other's path and perform the double shackle. Next up, 2 F-16s will soar towards the sky, pitching up into a 4G climb and perform a vertical split. An F-15 will perform a combat turn maneuver with full afterburners. Brace yourself as the F-15 enters show center. Several times the force of gravity throughout the turn. And completing the aerial fly past, 2 F-15s will now execute a formation vertical climb, providing a fitting salute to NS-45. And here they come!
Akan berjalan pula dalam masa cepat. Kawalan keselamatan dahulu. Kawalan keselamatan ke kanan. Yang lain ke kiri dan ke kanan. Baik.
Honor contingents. 28 marching contingents are also featured in this evening's parade. They are formed by 5 contingents from the SAF and Home Team, 10 contingents from uniform groups, 12 socio-economic organizations, and the combined band. Together, the contingents from various organizations represent the country's readiness in the 5 pillars of total defense: military, civil, social, economic, and psychological defense. and service to the community. Colors also serve to promote cohesion, esprit de corps, and instill a sense of pride and loyalty among servicemen. As a mark of respect, please rise as the Colors Party marches past you. Leading the march past is the parade commander, Lieutenant Colonel N.S. Clarence Town. Also in the forefront are the three state colors, followed by the parade regimental Sergeant Major, Master Warrant Officer Tamir Khanna. Following behind are the 31 regimental colors, together with the colors regimental Sergeant Major, Master Warrant Officer Padmanabhan. Coming up is the Army Guard of Honor contingent, led by Contingent Commander Major Jordan Lim, and formed by men from the 1st Commando Battalion. Next is the Navy Guard of Honor contingent, led by Contingent Commander Major Tan Leng Wah, and formed by men from the Naval Diving Unit. The 3rd Guard of Honor contingent is the Republic of Singapore Air Force contingent, led by Contingent Commander Major Ho Sin Kiat, and formed by men and women from the Air Power Generation Command. Is the Singapore Police Force contingent, led by Deputy Superintendent Brian Yip, and formed by men and women from the Home Team Academy of the Singapore Police Force. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Contingent formed by the Army, led by Contingent Commanders Captain Yap Su Hui and Captain Teo Shu Ming. Next, the Republic of Singapore Navy contingent, led by Military Expert Corps Desmond Sim, and the Republic of Singapore Air Force contingent, led by Captain Loh Kian Sang Kitson. Formed by the Singapore Police Force, led by Assistant Superintendent Jonathan Tan, and the Singapore Civil Defence Force, led by Captain Danny Zahn. we have the People's Action Party, led by Mr. Patrick Tay, and the National Trades Union Congress, led by Mr. Ong Wee Liang. National Environment Agency, led by Mr. Alvin Chu, and Mercy Relief, led by Mr. Oh Chun Yong. The third block of contingents comprise Sembcorp Industries, led by Ms. Celestine Lee, and Sembcorp Marine, led by Mr. Jason Ng. Savings Bank, led by Ms. Tauhida Hassan Basuki, and iFlux, led by Mr. Tang Peng Hong. Following behind are Singtel, led by Mr. Lee Ho-chia, and Keppel Corporation, led by Mr. Mavin Lim. And finally, the last group of socio-economic contingents comprise Network Korea, led by Mr. P.S. Kumar, and Applied Forwarding, led by Mr. Murugan Ravi. We have the NCC Land Contingent, led by Cadet Lieutenant Jonathan Byung-Chin Fong, and NCC Sea and Air Contingents, led by Cadet Second Lieutenant Ang Wan Ling. Coming up are the marching contingents from NPCC, led by Cadet Inspector Ong Sok Wei, and NCBCC, led by Cadet Lieutenant Era Yohannes binti Abdul Ghani. We have the marching contingents from the Singapore Red Cross, led by Senior Cadet Officer Edna Neo, and St. John Ambulance Brigade, led by Zone Staff Officer Grade 5, Jonathan Chan. The following two contingents are the Boys Brigade, led by Senior Cadet Lieutenant Go Chin Wei, and Girls Brigade, led by Captain Yo Yan Bing. Finally, we have the contingents formed by Girl Guides, led by young Anna Lim Jia Hui Erica, and Scouts, led by Venture Scout Nicholas Ong Chun Chie. Providing the marching music for the parade and ceremony is the combined band from Singapore Armed Forces Band, Singapore Police Force Band, and the National Police Cadet Corps Band, led by band conductor, military expert 5 Philip Tung Liap Peng, and trumpeter, military expert 2 Lim Wee Ben Gilbert. Are now preparing to march into the spectator stands. This signifies the nation's future, striving towards